So I will give you an overview about 3 more topics. I will do them all at once, so that this is very short. So the idea is that we get through all of them at the same time. So first I will talk about a new project we have been building for doing support. And this is a way to send a push so that the user can chat on that push, can get assistance, can get help on that push. And then when there is update on his case or on his conversation with the brand, it can get a push to be back again in the conversation. So that's why I call it push to chat to push. So basically what we want to do is to build a chat support service which is focusing on mobile users. So the focus is really to be targeting only mobile. The idea also is to take advantage about what has been provided by Google and Apple, and the ability to do action directly from the notification and from the notification center. So basically we want to give the users the ability to interact with the notification and get into the chat from the notification directly. So imagine, for example, to give you an example, this will be like you get a notification from Amazon saying that your delivery will be made tomorrow, and you're not at home tomorrow, so you can just swipe the notification and chat with the Amazon team to be able to reschedule the delivery, for example. So that's the use case we want to be able to cover. The other thing is that usually when you get support system, chat support system are made for the web. So basically, typically, you get into the chat when you're on the web. You press the chat button to get help and chat with the brand. And when you leave your computer, you have lost the contact with the brand. And typically, the way people chat these days, they chat throughout the day. So they chat in the morning, they chat in the metro, they chat during the lunch break. So the idea is that people want to handle the chat relationship with the brand the same way that they do the chat with a friend. So that's what we want to be able to provide with that push service. And the other thing we want to address is that we want to feel personal. So we want to give the user the feeling that they are not opening a case on a support system, but that they're just chatting with a brand. So they may have different agents responding to the request, but it will be in a single conversation and will feel like they are chatting with a friend, hopefully. So the idea is really that we want to be able to get a push, swipe the notification, you see that you have an action that you can have on it, you get support, and you're in a chat with a brand. And you can be brought back in that chat with the same type of alerts. So I recorded. I've been doing a lot of talk in my life, and I know that I cannot rely never on a Wi-Fi for a demonstration. So I've recorded everything just in case, and I think it was a nice idea. So basically, the chat support here. Suppose that the left part. Suppose that the left part is the back end. So I'm typing. Basically on the left, I've typed a Unix command, a script, Python script, that is the backend system of the e-commerce website, and which has been sending a notification that you see on the iPhone on the top of the screen. You see that there is a notification saying your order is delayed, and you have a button here which says get support. So you're worried about your order being late, and you type that notification about the late delivery. So you're placed in the queue. So here you see that on the left, this is a chat client. So the product is able to work either from a web interface for the support agent or from any XMPP client. So basically, you just, when there is someone from the support that requires support, one of the support agents in the pool will receive a message saying there is someone that requires assistance, and he will be able to take over the question directly from his normal chat client, or if you are a big company and have a pool of dedicated agents, you can provide them with a web chat client for that part. So on the right, this is recorded from my iPhone, and you will have the conversation getting between each of the users. And so I will skip faster to the. So basically, when the conversation is done, the user can close his application, and he can just simply wait for the support to do his job and work on the topic. And when the support agent finally managed to find a solution for the problem, he just sent a new message as a push to the user. So basically, he gets a new message by push, and he is again waiting for chatting with the agent, and he will be able to chat and finally close the issue, saying that finally they found a new article in stock, and it will be able to be delivered tomorrow. So that's the idea of the platform. This is just the beginning. We have the core done in eJabberD, and we are working on the client of the SDK to integrate in your app. So you will be able to enable a feature in the Boxcar platform, and you will be able to enable a feature in the SDK to enable chat on notification, and you will. That's the idea. You will be able to get people from the support working on that. So this is a way to link the things we are doing, which are chat and push together in a single platform. So